Our red velvet cookies has a soft cake texture with the edge being crispy and a light crunch. The dusting of the powdered sugar gives it a nice crinkle appearance. Yum! My name is Chef Fran, and we're making red velvet cookies. So to make our red velvet crinkle cookies, we need some vegetable oil, some red velvet cake mix, some eggs, some chocolate morsels, as well as some white chocolate morsels, some powdered sugar, and some pure vanilla extract and Cool Whip. So we added our cake mix, our eggs, just really the instructions in the back of the box. The only thing is that I omitted the water because I'm going to be using Cool Whip. So there is here the eggs and the oil and the cake mix. And we're just going to kind of just let that go on for like 2 minutes. And then we're going to fold in our Cool Whip. And then we're going to add our chocolates and then roll it in powdered sugar and put it on our tray on 350 for 15 minutes to cook. And that's it after that. Again, whether it is box cake or homemade fresh cake, you always want to be able to scrape the sides of your bowl. Okay, so that's where we go. And let me get some chips here. Now we're going to put some of the other one. Semi-sweet. We've done some white. Okay. And we're going to mix that. It's time to scoop. Roll it in our powdered sugar before we put it on our sheet tray. Okay. Okay. Here are red velvet cookies. I have a set that's in the oven, and so they have some powdered sugar on them to keep them from being wet and sticky as they are now. And I look forward to enjoying these. I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. Once baked, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes on a wire rack. And here we are, red velvet cookies. Make something from your heart. This is a delicious light cookie that is tested and tried, and red velvet lovers will enjoy. Our vitamins red velvet cake is vitamins A, calcium, and potassium, eggs, A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron, vegetable oil, A, D, E, and K, and vanilla extract, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. Let's try to taste these wonderful homemade, well, we used the box, right? But we did it at home. So it's still homemade red velvet cookies. Okay. So, you have the crispiness on the outside. The inside is just nice and soft. Very cookie-like. Super ball. Look how this looks like a wonderful cake texture, making the cookie nice and moist. See, I'm squeezing it. You see that cake texture? It is so good, so moist. And I even taste a little bit of the Cool Whip too. Comment below if you've ever made cookies out of cake as well, cake mix. Do it. You could try another cake mix. If you don't like red velvet, try chocolate. Try the yellow. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow. Support us while we support you back with some great tasting recipes. Our red velvet cookies has a beautiful look with a touch of white on them from the powdered sugar. The cookies have a soft cake-like texture, and you get a burst of creamy milk and white chocolate in every bite, which makes it absolutely divine.